And this caught our attention in the newsroom today. A winter storm watch is in effect for Thursday, though.
It is. It caught our attention back here because it is issued a couple days ahead. But the reason for that is the fact it's a big travel day, and we want to give everybody a heads up. The conditions are forecast to go downhill. Here's the actual watch area as of right now. It extends basically along the I-80 corridor from Grand Island through York to Lincoln into Omaha and then into western portions of Iowa. And this is for icing, whether it be freezing rain, sleet, or a combination of the two. We take a look at the forecast map for tomorrow. Tomorrow we're fine. So if you have any travel issues, we're looking at mostly rain during the day. Could be some snow out west. And then as we go through time, you can see that icing moving in as we head toward Thursday, probably around 3 o'clock. And that could continue through about 6 o'clock in the evening. Models have it lingering a little bit longer than that, but it looks like Thursday is the day. And again, the changeover would likely occur probably by mid-afternoon. Threat tracker is moderate for now for icing on Thursday. And again, it favors sleet, but temperatures will determine if we have and how much freezing rain we should have. More on that coming up here. Jen?
Okay.